Evropski poslanci sporočajo nacionalnim vladam, naj poskrbijo za boljšo in obsežnejšo izmenjavo informacij in hitreje dokončajo še nerešene zadeve.
We need to speed up the negotiation of pending legislation. I refer in particular to the Firearms Directive and the Terrorism Directive, as well as the targeted amendments to the Schengen Borders Code about systematic controls of EU citizens at EU external borders.
32 ljudi je bilo ubitih in še več ranjenih v napadih v Bruslju.
Non credo che dietro questa ideologia di morte vi sia l'Islam. Questi criminali non sposano l'Islam, che è religione di pace.
We may be able to help stop more attacks by encouraging cooperation across intelligence and security services, by giving security and law enforcement agencies whatever tools we can in a free and open society, and by supporting projects that stop young people becoming
V
terrorists.
postopku je več zakonodajnih dokumentov, vključno z Evropsko direktivo o terorizmu, ki kriminalizira dejavnosti, kot so na primer potovanja z namenom terorističnega urjenja, nadgrajuje nadzor nad strelnim orožjem in krepi pooblastila in osebje Europola.
The coordination in between the member states must be improved. We have to create possibilities to use new technical possibilities, because the criminals and terrorists are working with the best technology available, and the police and the security institution, they must have the same possibilities.
Pogajanja z državami članicami o direktivi o terorizmu naj bi se začela še ta mesec.